In other news, I am someone that enjoys reheated lasagna where the middle is still partially cold. I
You're a
like
fucking
that.
monster. You're a
I
fucking monster.
love it. I love it. I don't know why the consistency of it being warm on the outside and cold on the inside. It's a delicacy for me. Like I don't I can't maybe it's because I was like tortured as a child with that. I don't know.
You
Like
had that
cuz
because
like
I understand that because lasagna is really hard to reheat. It really does just get
mhm.
extremely molten hot on the outside and then like lukewarm in the middle if you get it to a full like heated temperature. So I
No, no,
understand
I
this
don't
happening.
mean even lukewarm.
I
Like
know you
kind
don't
of
mean
like
that, but if
on the
you
border of like kind of still kind of refrigerator cold. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I
I
know what you're
like that.
saying. What I'm saying is that
It's
you can have
nice.
this happen by accident a lot because when you get it to those molten temperatures, it's barely lukewarm in the middle. The key to
Mm.
lasagna is you really just gotta mash it up and make it a paste when you reheat
Ugh.
it.
Okay, that is, see that you're the monster now. Like
I'd never do that.
you're journeying into psychopath terror now.
Honestly,
Like
the way I eat lasagna now is we make lasagna soup, which is just lasagna in soup
well,
form,
I mean,
and it's
see that
delicious. You
it's
just
that's
put a
okay.
whole glob of ricotta cheese right in the center. So good.
Well, I'd have to try it. I'd have to try it. There's cheese soups kind of freak me out a bit,
I
but
mean, the
not
soup's the
not
lasagna. But
really. I
lasagna
mean,
has
like
ricotta
you'd say
cheese.
ricotta, you
Yeah.
say ricotta cheese, and it's like I don't know. It's just like because it's gonna be ricotta's like grainy. Do you want like grains in your soup
Are you
like
sure
that
you
from
aren't thinking
cheese?
of cotija?
No, ricotta's kind of like that.
No,
It's got that
ricotta is
kind
a
of like
very
weird
smooth
grain.
cheese.
No, it's got a little bit of grain to it.
I don't think so.
Like it's not like sand grit. It's kind of like it's got like
It's like
I
I don't
don't know,
know.
like a feeling of like little bubbles or something in it. But
Okay,
like
all right.